Hi guys, Mantas here, and I'm gonna continue my Quora case study. So whoever haven't watched my previous videos about Quora case study, so I was posting for 30 days. I was answering 10 questions a day with no day skipped. And today I want to show you one function. So I have a couple of spaces, Quora spaces, and I recently got a notification. So Quora wants to share its revenue with space owners. Check if you're eligible to participate. So when you click on that, you can see what are the requirements for that. So they say grow your space readership and earn money. So in other words, you post there engaging content and all people interested start, communicating between each other, upvoting, commenting, and everything else. So I am like invited to the space earning beta program where Quora shares revenue with space owners. And I can check if I'm able to do that. So there are some common questions here, which is kind of interesting thing. How does a space earn money on Quora? So a space earnings is based on how much people engage with the space and the advertising revenue generated from their usage. How can space owners share their space earnings with others? In other words, you can involve other people so they can, make that content even go viral or something like that, and they can post and reshare other posts as well. So once a space has been approved for earnings and the owner has completed Stripe account setup, the admins, moderators, and contributors on the space will receive a notification that the space is now earning. If you haven't already, you should consider as a space owner if and how you wish to share earnings with the group. The most active section on the Earnings tab show what actions people are taking to contribute to the success of the space. This information can help guide the way you wish to reward people for contributing to your space. Payments for your space are paid to the account uh, you connected to the Stripe. So first of all, I saw this notification before, and it was kind of just as I saw with the PayPal, I think. And now they are doing all this monetization via Stripe as well. Uh, so how and when are payments made? So we use Stripe to manage payments. If the space has a balance of more than $10, at the end of the month, the balance is paid out to the connected Stripe account by the 10th of the next month. Financial institutions may take 3 to 5 business days or longer to process payments and deposit into your account. And where is that line I needed to tell you about? Oh, please note that if you decide to share earnings with your team, your approach may have tax or legal implications, and you may wish to consult with a tax or legal professional for advice. In other words, if you have a team which collaborates in growing your space and you're sharing that revenue, so you are like employing these people and sharing that revenue with others. So there is a like a tier scheme here where you as a space owner are admin and the other are maybe moderators, editors, and maybe just followers. So if you share with whoever is participating in growing your group, you may even have to pay taxes. So I'm in UK, so I'm like kind of eligible for that, and I think I'm gonna sacrifice that group and we'll see where it goes. So let's get started. Uh, we are reviewing your space. Complete the following steps to start receiving payments. 1046 total so far. And we're reviewing your space. We need to verify that your space follows space earning guidelines. This process usually takes 1 to 2 business days. And you can connect your bank via Stripe as well now. So let's see, what are the guidelines? And this is kind of long text, and there shouldn't be, of course, prohibited content. Be nice and respectful, and all the rules are here. So whoever got a space, keep in mind you can monetize that traffic, because Quora is basically just a source of traffic, and you can monetize that space traffic. You can drive that traffic to your own website. You can drive that traffic directly to affiliate sites. In my experience, like straight away to affiliate sites and offers doesn't work. So I usually try to drive traffic just to my site. And this is the third option, where Quora can pay you money yourself. I mean, the platform will pay money for you. So now I have to wait for a couple of business days and see where it goes, and I will continue this video after. Now it's been a couple of days while I have requested to monetize my Quora space, and as you can see, here is that message: congrats, your space meets our space earning guidelines. Your action is needed to start receiving payments. So now, as far as you see, I got 11 bucks total so far, and I just need to continue. And if by clicking continue, you agree to the space earnings beta program terms of service. So I'm gonna click on that, and I'm eligible. This is done, and I have to connect my bank or debit card with the Stripe to get paid. And Quora pays minimum of 10 bucks. So if you got a space, this is one of the ways you can monetize it. I hope this video will help you to monetize your space. This is kind of one of the options. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers!